Line types used on drawings is based on American National Standards Institute alphabet of lines. We'll concentrate on 3 of the major types of lines. The lines that we use on a drawing are like the words we use to make a sentence, or a sentence to create a paragraph, paragraphs to create a story. So the types of lines put together in an arrangement tells a story about the part and describes it to the reader that's trying to manufacture this part. So visible lines are thick. Hidden lines are kind of a medium thickness. Center lines are thin. So visible thick, hidden medium, center thin. Hidden lines are about 1/8 of an inch dash, and that's not 1/8 of an inch, by the way, and a 32nd of an inch gap. Center lines have a long dash, short dash. The short dash is 1/8, the gap is a 1/16, and the long dash can be anywhere from 3/4 to 1.5 inches. Visible edges do just that. They tell the visible edge of the part. Your center lines identify the center of holes, both in the circular form with a little 1/8 of an inch plus sign, and then in a rectangular view, just a single short dash, long dash center line to represent the center. We also connect holes or shapes that are circular with a center line, and that's got a gap in it, but it didn't. That's because it didn't print properly in the book. Okay, dashed lines, as he calls them, which is really, these are hidden lines. There's a certain way we represent those, and how we connect them to other visible or hidden lines is important. So if a hidden edge is coming to or ending at a visible edge, this is the correct way to do it. This is the correct way, hidden line to hidden line. Now, you don't start out with a gap unless the hidden line is a continuation of an edge that matches with a visible line. Then we do put a gap. Very, very important for the reader. This is taught in blueprint reading. So as a drafter creating a drawing, we have to show that gap. We avoid creating this T situation that could be interpreted as some kind of center. So we try to step over a visible line. Now, this is very important. All of this is important. You have to remember that center lines really are there to tell where a center is, but they have no visibility. They're the least important. So you start off by thinking that. So therefore, if a hidden line matches up with a center line, as you see here, we have a hole in a part. In the right side view, we're showing that hole as a hidden edge here, but the hidden edge of the hole lines up with this visible edge of this step. Well, the visible line takes precedence over it, over the hidden. The hidden line takes precedence, or is more important than the center line. But to not leave the center line unspecified in the right side view, we show a center. Now this hidden line is this little edge over here where the angle makes a edge with the normal surface. So anytime a visible line or a hidden line matches up with a center, we show it the center line by creating a little dash with a space at the edge. That tells the reader that, oh, this is a hole going through here, even though I only see one hidden line here and another hidden line here. When I see this dash, I will know as a reader that there's a center line, and I can look over in the adjacent view to find that shape. Now a little bit about creating multi-view drawings from pictorials.